Today, I have a super simple smoky eye makeup tutorial for you. This will take you 5 minutes. It is so beginner friendly. There's no skill involved. And of course, everything we're gonna use, very affordable. And if you get a little heavy-handed during this, I'm going to show you how to clean it up at the end. Go ahead and put my foundation on. If you want to see a step-by-step makeup tutorial, you can watch this one here. I will also link it at the end of the video so that you can watch that. But I'm going to go ahead and add foundation, concealer, all of that, and we're going to skip right to the eye makeup. Foundation is on, my brows are done. I'm going to link everything that I'm using down in the description of this video. Over here in the corner, look for a down arrow. Click on that. It will enlarge. Everything will be down in the description. I did my brows with the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Pen in the color taupe. When I bronze my face, one of the things that I do is I take my bronzer and I go over my lid. I want everything to be cohesive. So the other thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this kind of skinny brush. I'm going to take it and go back into my bronzer and line underneath my eyes. I'm going to take this really affordable eyeshadow palette from Essence. This is the Chili Vanilla, and I'm just going to take 2 light-ish colors, mix them together. I'm going to go ahead and just take this about halfway up my eye. If you get a little heavy-handed, get a little, coloring outside of the lines, we'll clean it up at the end. Don't sweat it. Here's the part that makes it super smoky, and you're not going to believe how easy this is. And I am using the Essence Blend and Line eyeshadow stick. Because I'm getting older, I'm 56, the color is draining from my skin, I'm getting more and more pale all the time. I personally, not a big fan of black eyeliner. This eyeshadow stick is called Full of Beans, and these super affordable eyeshadow sticks dry pretty quickly. I'm only going to do one eye at a time. So I'm going to take that brush and just blend. Now I'm going to do the top just in a little bit wider area. Not a huge area. Blend it in, blend it over each side a little, and then blend it up. Once you have that blended, you can decide how much more you want to add. I'm going to add a little bit more. I'm really liking this so far. Now, let's just address something really quick. If you like a super precise, more professional looking eye, I am not your girl. I am always looking to offer you really simple, very affordable makeup tips all the time. That's my goal. That's why this is just that quick and super beginner friendly. So far, so good. We already have the smoky. Now we're going to add a little sultry. I showed you these eyeshadow sticks from Essence. These eyeliners are no joke. For $5, if you want an eyeliner that stays all day long, these are the real deal. I love these. All I'm going to do is I'm going to tight line the inside of my upper eye. I'm really going to focus in this area right here. Almost as if I'm lining my lashes. I know that's not attractive. And this takes that sexy, smoldery, smoky look to the next level. Now I'm going to take my eyeshadow brush and I'm going to go back with my bronzer. And I don't have a crease. If you're like me and you're older and your face is falling, I don't have a crease. I am going to add my bronzer above where my eyelashes will hit. I'm going to add a few finishing touches, and then before we add mascara, if you feel like you went over a little too far on the side, I'll show you how to clean that up. I use a contour stick. This is the Magic Shaper by Catrice. So all I'm going to do is take a little bitty smudging brush, take the end of this, and give myself a little highlight in the corner. I love a little highlight in the corner. First of all, it's perfect with this smoky eye, but also it helps brighten up the eye because I'm 56 and I always look like I need a nap. So it really helps with that. The other thing that I'm going to do with a little bit of this highlighter on a smudging brush is underline just the arch of my brow. It just gives you that really clean finishing touch. It's very subtle, but I love the difference that it makes. Before I add blush and mascara, we want to clean this up a little bit. If you feel like you came down a little bit, because any eye makeup that ends up over here on the side just drags the face down, I do not need any help with that. I'm going to take my concealer brush and my concealer, just put a little bit on my hand, and all I'm going to do is just dip the edge of my brush. Just went up and out just to clean that up a little bit. Now, so we don't have a big white space there, now is when we're going to add our blush. Since we're going for a really smoky look, and again, we're trying to keep this really simple, I want you to change up the way that you apply your mascara on the bottom. Rather than try to draw your lashes down and really aim for the tips of your lashes, I want you to aim for the base of your lashes. It just really adds to that smoky look without a lot of effort. So what do you think? 5 minutes, smoky eye on our mature eyes. Anyone can do this. If this was helpful, I hope you'll like this video, share it with a sweet friend. And if you enjoy super simple makeup tips, I hope you'll watch this video next.